Welcome to our practice today. Let's start seated on our mats in bound angle pose. Bring the soles of your feet together, knees open wide. Sit tall, gently close your eyes. Take a deep, slow breath in and a long, complete breath out. Continue to breathe calmly, noticing the sensations in your body. Release the tension of your day. Be present, here and now. Slowing your breath activates your parasympathetic nervous system, helping to lower stress levels and prepare your mind and body for the work ahead. It is crucial in this pose to lengthen your spine upward. Do not round your back. Let your inner thighs gently release, but avoid forcing your knees down by collapsing your torso. Inhale, open your eyes, reach both arms high overhead, palms facing each other. Exhale, bring your right hand down to the floor and gently lean to your right. Stretch your left side, feeling the extension from your hip all the way to your fingertips. Side bends release tension in your intercostal muscles and increase flexibility in your torso, which supports deeper, fuller breathing. As you lean, make sure your opposite hip, your left hip, stays anchored to the floor. This ensures the stretch runs along your entire side body, not just your shoulder. Inhale, return to center, arms up. Exhale, lean to the left. Feel the stretch down the right side. Inhale, center. Keep the breath flowing. Exhale, twist to the right. Place your right hand behind you for support and your left hand on the outside of your right knee. Inhale to lengthen. Exhale to twist deeper. Twists are excellent detox tools. They gently massage your abdominal organs, stimulating digestion and improving spinal mobility. Do not lead the twist with your neck. The rotation should originate from your belly and thoracic, upper spine. The backhand is for balance. Avoid leaning heavily on it. Inhale, return to center, arms up. Exhale, twist to the left. Left hand back, right hand to your left knee. Inhale to lengthen. Exhale to twist. Inhale, arms up, return to center. Exhale, gently extend both legs straight out in front of you. This is staff pose, Dhanasana. Inhale, place your hands behind you, fingers pointing forward. Exhale, press into your hands and feet, lifting your hips as high as you can into upward plank. Upward plank vigorously strengthens the entire backside of your body, your back, glutes, and hamstrings. It also stretches the chest and shoulders, counteracting poor posture. Ensure your wrists are directly under your shoulders. Actively squeeze your glutes and push your hips to the ceiling to protect your lower back from sagging. Hold here. Inhale. Exhale. Keep your hips high. Inhale, gently release your hips back down. Repeat for the second round. Keep your left leg straight. Inhale, reach both arms up. Exhale, twist to the right. Hook your left elbow outside your right knee, right hand behind you for support. Inhale to lift, exhale to twist. This deep twist deeply stimulates abdominal organs, aiding in detoxification and increasing flexibility in your lower spine. Extend both legs. Bend your right knee and place the sole of your right foot against your inner left thigh. Left leg is straight. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, fold forward toward your straight left leg, hinging at your hips. Exhale, fold forward toward your straight left leg, hinging at your hips. This pose deeply stretches the hamstrings and calves of your extended leg. It is a calming posture that releases tension in the lower back and sciatic nerve. Repeat on the other side. Your goal is to maintain a straight spine, not to touch your head to your knee. The bend originates from the hip crease. Actively draw the toes of your straight foot toward your face. Inhale, slowly rise up. Exhale, release. Extend both legs wide for Upavista Konasana. Toes point up. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, fold forward gently. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, fold. Repeat 3 times dynamically. This dynamic movement lubricates the hip sockets and deeply lengthens your inner thighs and hamstrings. Keep your knees pointing straight up. Do not let them roll inward. Focus on maintaining a straight back, folding only from your hips. Inhale, return to upright, arms up. Exhale, lean your torso over your right leg, right hand down, left arm reaches up and over. This combined pose stretches the entire side of your torso, including the quadratus lumborum muscle, and opens the chest, facilitating deeper breath. Open your body like a book. Roll your top shoulder left, back, and avoid collapsing forward. Keep your opposite hip left grounded. Inhale, return to center. Exhale, ring your legs together and transition onto all fours into tabletop pose. Wrists under shoulders, knees under hips. Inhale, cow pose. Drop your belly, lift your chest, and gaze up. Exhale, cat pose. Round your spine, tuck your tailbone, and draw your navel to your spine. Push strongly into your hands. This synchronized movement gently warms up and lubricates the entire spine, releasing stiffness and improving spinal mobility. Return to a neutral spine. Inhale, extend your right leg back and your left arm forward, parallel to the floor. Hold your balance. This pose is a cornerstone for strengthening your core stabilizers and deep back muscles, improving balance and coordination. Exhale, bend your right knee, reach back with your left hand, and grasp your right foot or ankle. Kick your foot up and back for a gentle back bend. Technique or focus point. Keep your hips square and level. Do not let your right hip roll open. Engage your core to protect your lower back. Inhale, release the grip, extend arm and leg. Exhale, lower to the mat. Repeat on the other side. Curl your toes under. Inhale, lift your hips up and back into downward facing dog. Downward dog is a full body stretch that lengthens the spine and hamstrings while sending fresh circulation to your head, relieving fatigue. Actively push your hips up and back, lengthening your spine. Keep your hands spread wide. If your hamstrings are tight, a micro bend in your knees is encouraged. Exhale, shift forward into plank pose. Hold strong. Technique, focus point. Your body should form a straight line from head to heels. Engage your core tightly and avoid letting your hips or lower back sag. Inhale, slowly lower your knees, chest, and chin to the mat. Exhale, push back to down dog. Repeat a vinyasa flow as you demonstrated. From down dog, Step your right foot forward between your hands. Drop your left knee to the floor for a low lunge. Inhale, keep your left hand down. Lift your right arm high, twisting to the right. The twist deepens the stretch in the hip flexor of your back leg and stimulates your abdominal organs. Press your front knee out gently to prevent it from collapsing inward. The rotation should come from your belly and chest, not just your neck. Inhale, return to center. Carefully lie down onto your back. Legs extended, arms by your sides. Inhale, lift both legs straight up to a 90-degree angle. Lift your head and shoulders, reaching your hands toward your feet. This pose powerfully strengthens the lower abdominal muscles and deep core. It also reverses blood flow in the legs, reducing swelling and fatigue. Your lower back must remain firmly pressed into the floor. If you feel your back arching, gently lower your legs until your spine is flat, or place your hands underneath your lower back for support. Hold for a few breaths. Exhale, release your head and legs down to rest. Hug your right knee into your chest. Exhale, guide your right knee across your body to the left. Extend your right arm out to the side. This gentle supine twist releases tension in the lower back and hips, allowing the spine to completely decompress after the hard work. Keep both shoulder blades glued to the floor, even if your knee does not reach. Use your exhale to soften and release deeper into the twist. Inhale, return to center. Exhale, extend the right leg. Repeat on the left side. Prepare for Shavasana. Lie on your back, let your feet fall open, and turn your palms up. Close your eyes. This is the most crucial pose. It allows your nervous system to fully integrate the benefits of your practice, lowering your heart rate and promoting deep mental and physical rest.